If you're serious about performance and reliability in power tools, DeWalt remains one of the most trusted brands in the industry. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 DeWalt power tools that stand out for their quality, durability, and value. Let's start with the DeWalt DC-D79620 VMA-XXR Compact Hammer Drill Kit, a compact yet powerful drill designed for versatility and speed. It features a brushless motor that offers up to 57% more runtime than brushed version. With 2 speed settings and a high-performance transmission, it can drill into wood, metal, and masonry with ease. The ergonomic design and lightweight build make it perfect for tight spaces and overhead work. Users love the hammer function, which adds power when drilling into concrete or brick. Paired with 2.0 amp-hour batteries, a charger, and a sturdy case, the DC-D796 kit is an excellent investment for anyone looking for a reliable drill that doesn't compromise on power or convenience. Next, we have the DeWalt DCS570T27 and 1/4 inch 60-volt MAX FlexVolt circular saw, a tool that's earned a reputation for delivering corded-level performance in a cordless package. With its powerful brushless motor and FlexVolt battery system, this circular saw cuts through dimensional lumber and thick sheet materials with minimal resistance. It offers up to 5,800 RPM, making it ideal for heavy-duty framing, decking, or demolition work. The electric brake improves safety by stopping the blade quickly after releasing the trigger, while the ergonomic handle reduces user fatigue. Contractors especially appreciate the long battery life and depth of cut adjustment, which makes it easy to switch between tasks on the job site without grabbing another tool. If you're looking for a saw that balances power and portability, the DCS570T2 is hard to beat. Coming in third is the DeWalt DWE74858 and 1/4 inch compact table saw, a highly rated and portable option for woodworkers and remodelers. Despite its compact size, it boasts a 15-amp motor capable of 5,800 RPM, providing smooth and precise cuts on hardwood, softwood, and sheet goods. The rack and pinion fence system ensures accurate fence adjustments, while the metal roll cage base enhances durability over plastic alternatives. It also includes onboard storage for tools and accessories, making it convenient to move from shop to site. Users appreciate how stable and vibration-free it feels, even during extended use. It's especially popular among those with smaller workshops, or who need a reliable table saw that can be transported easily between locations. At number 4 is the DeWalt DCS355D 120-volt MAXXR Oscillating Multi-Tool, a highly versatile tool that earns its spot thanks to its brushless motor and impressive adaptability. Whether you're cutting, scraping, sanding, or removing grout, this tool is designed to handle a wide range of applications. The 20,000 oscillations per minute and dual grip variable speed trigger offer excellent control and precision. The quick change accessory system allows you to switch out blades and attachments without tools, saving time during projects. It also comes with a universal accessory adapter, which means you can use other brands' accessories if needed. Renovators and homeowners alike love how efficient and easy it is to use, especially for trimming door jambs or working in tight corners where larger tools won't fit. Finally, we have the DeWalt DCS373B 20-volt Max metal cutting circular saw, a must-have for metal fabricators, HVAC professionals, and automotive workers. This tool is specifically designed to slice through steel, aluminum, and other metals with clean, burr-free cuts. With its 460 MWO motor and 3,700 RPM speed, it delivers smooth and controlled cuts every time. The 5.5-inch carbide-tipped blade is optimized for metal, and the enclosed guard helps direct sparks away from the operator.